أهلا بكم زملائي الكرام إلى برنامج جديد على قناة Obakids Link. هذا البرنامج في الحقيقة هو الأول من سلسلة برامج تعليم اللغة العربية على قناتنا هذه. اليوم بإذن الله تعالى سنبدأ بالدرس الأول، وهو المعنى وكيفية استخدام اسم الإشارة. هذا في الكلام مع الأمثلة التوضيحية. فلنبدأ. Welcome to Speak Arabic with Obakids program. This is an episodic program designed purposely to teach the correct way of speaking Arabic language to the beginners, the kids, and other progressive learners. In today's lesson, inshallah, we're going to discuss the use of demonstrative pronoun, هذا, which means this. We shall talk about its meaning, usefulness, and what it denotes when it is used in a sentence. Let's start. The word هذا is an Arabic word which means this. It is one of the demonstrative pronouns used to point to an object. The following features are required in the pointed object. 1. To be a close object. 2. To be a masculine object. 3. Also, the objects we are pointing to should be a singular object. I mean, it should be only one object, not more than that. Let's give some examples of how to use it to illustrate our explanations. Let us start with this example. This is هذا. هذا means this. This is كتاب. كتاب means a book. Now if we combine هذا and كتاب together, it makes هذا كتاب. Say after me.
هذا كتاب.
Which means this is a book. Let us look at the example again. This is هذا. هذا is a singular demonstrative pronoun which means this. This is kitabun. Kitabun is a singular noun which means a book. Now if we combine هذا and kitabun together, it makes هذا kitabun, which means this is a book. Let us move to another example. This is هذا. هذا means this. This is قلم. قلم means a pen. Now if we combine هذا and قلم together, it makes هذا قلم. Say after me.
هذا قلم.
Which means this is a pen. Let us look at the example again. This is هذا. هذا is a singular demonstrative pronoun which means this. This is قلم. قلم is a singular noun which means a pen. Now if we combine هذا and قلم together, it makes هذا قلم, which means this is a pen. Let us move to another example. This is هذا. هذا means this. This is كرسي. كرسي means a chair. Now if we combine together, it makes هذا كرسي. Say after me.
هذا كرسي.
Which means this is a chair. Let us look at the example again. This is هذا. هذا is a singular demonstrative pronoun which means this. This is كرسي. كرسي is a singular noun which means a chair. Now if we combine هذا and كرسي together, it makes هذا كرسي, which means this is a chair. Let us move on to another example. This is هذا. هذا means this. This is سرير. سرير means a bed. Now if we combine هذا and سرير together, it makes هذا سرير. Say after me.
هذا سرير.
This is a bed. Let us look at the example again. هذا is a singular demonstrative pronoun which means this. سرير is a singular noun which means a bed. Now if we combine هذا and سرير together, it makes هذا سرير, which means this is a bed. Let us move on to another example. This is هذا. هذا means this. This is مكتب. مكتب means a table. Now if we combine هذا and مكتب together, it makes هذا مكتب. Say after me.
هذا مكتب.
Which means this is a table. Let us look at the example again. هذا is a singular demonstrative pronoun which means this. مكتب is a singular noun which means a table. Now if we combine هذا and مكتب together, it makes هذا مكتب, which means this is a table. Let us move on to another example. This is هذا. هذا means this. This is مفتاح. مفتاح means a key. Now if we combine هذا and مفتاح together, it makes هذا مفتاح. Say after me.
هذا مفتاح.
Which means this is a key. Let us look at the example again. هذا is a singular demonstrative pronoun which means this. مفتاح is a singular noun which means a key. Now if we combine هذا and مفتاح together, it makes هذا مفتاح, which means this is a key. Let us move on to another example. This is هذا. هذا means this. This is مدرس. مدرس means a teacher. If we combine هذا and مدرس together, it makes هذا مدرس. Say after me.
هذا مدرس.
Which means this is a teacher. Let us look at the examples again. This is هذا. هذا is a singular demonstrative pronoun which means this. This is مدرس. مدرس is a singular noun which means a teacher. Now if we combine هذا and مدرس together, it makes هذا مدرس, which means this is a teacher. This is هذا. هذا means this. This is waladun. Waladun means a boy. Now if we combine هذا and waladun together, it makes هذا waladun. Say after me.
هذا ولد.
Which means this is a boy. Let us look at the example again. This is هذا. هذا is a singular demonstrative pronoun, which means this. This is waladun. Waladun is a singular noun, which means a boy. Now if we combine هذا and waladun together, it makes هذا waladun, which means this is a boy. Let us move on to another example. This is هذا. هذا means this. This is رجل. رجل means a man. Now if we combine هذا and رجل together, it makes هذا رجل. Say after me.
هذا رجل.
Which means this is a man. Let us look at the example again. This is هذا. هذا is a singular demonstrative pronoun, which means this. This is رجل. رجل is a singular noun, which means a man. If we combine هذا and رجل together, it makes هذا رجل, which means this is a man. Now, it is important to take note that all the nouns used in the examples above ends with al-tanween. Let us look at those examples again. Kitabun. Say after me.
كتاب.
Kitabun means a book. Sarirun.
سرير.
Sarirun means a bed. Mudarrisun.
مدرس.
Mudarrisun means a teacher. Qalamun.
قلم.
Qalamun means a pen. Maktabun.
مكتب.
Maktabun means a table. Waladun.
ولد.
Waladun means a boy. Kursiyun.
كرسي.
Kursiyun means a chair. Miftahun.
مفتاح.
Miftahun means a key. Rajulun.
رجل.
Rajulun means a man. This simply means those words are 1. They are nouns. 2. They are singular. 3. They are indefinite nouns. Summarily, the demonstrative pronoun هذا is in its singular form, used to point to any objects which are also in their singular forms. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Let's meet on the next lesson for another episode of Speak Arabic with Obakids. Shukra ala mushahada. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to our channel Obakids Link TV, YouTube, Facebook and Instagram.